Roborock is a key player in the world of automated home cleaning. Known for its high-performing robot vacuums and innovative mops for several years, it has established itself as a benchmark thanks to its products that combine efficiency and advanced technology. Today, the brand is introducing a new addition to its lineup, the Roborock Flexi Lite. This compact and maneuverable floor cleaner promises to simplify daily maintenance with its smart combination of vacuuming and mopping, all while saving you time. It's a significant option for users looking for an effective solution without the hassle. Available starting at €329, this model aims to provide a high-performing solution for demanding households while maintaining an excellent value for money. To learn more, the link is in the description. With the Flexi Lite, Roborock focuses on lightweight design and ergonomics. Two essential elements for a high-performing and user-friendly floor cleaner, weighing just 4 kilograms. This vacuum mop is one of the most maneuverable in its category, making it easy to transport and store. Its compact design and lightweight format allow it to tilt horizontally, providing optimized access to tight spaces and under the furniture. That's it. Its black and white finish gives it a modern and sleek look that easily fits into any interior, no matter the decor style. The LED screen, located on the handle, provides clear indications about battery life, the level of dirt detected, and the cleaning modes. Meanwhile, the flat charging station ensures discreet storage and simplified maintenance thanks to its sleek and functional design. The Roborock Flexi Lite robot is equipped with a suction power of 17,000 pascals, allowing it to effectively eliminate dirt, whether dry or wet, in just one pass. Its 620 milliliters clean water tank ensures deep cleaning while minimizing the frequency of refills, while the 400 milliliters dirty water tank prevents any recontamination of the floor by effectively disposing of the dirty water. DirtTech technology automatically adjusts power and water flow based on detected dirt levels, optimizing hands-free cleaning. Manual. The device also features a boost mode that temporarily increases the suction power to tackle the most stubborn dirt. And finally, the charging station features a washing and hot air drying system at 50 degrees Celsius, which prevents the growth of mold and unpleasant odors by keeping the brush hygienic after each use. The Flexi Lite stands out for its maneuverability and ease of use, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. Its tiltable handle makes it easy to reach those hard-to-access areas, like under beds, sofas, and low furniture, without requiring any special effort. The LED screen displays real-time essential information, such as battery level, selected cleaning modes, and the detected level of dirt. The controls are well placed for ergonomic use, although their visibility could be improved, especially in low light conditions. Switching between modes is seamless, with an automatic mode adapting performance based on the surface being cleaned and the level of dirt. On the other hand, the absence of a suction mode. The only issue might be for those who want to use it on carpets or rugs, which limits its versatility. Overall, maintaining the device is pretty straightforward, although the tanks can be a bit tricky to remove and require regular upkeep to ensure optimal performance. In the face of competition, the Roborock. The Flexi Lite really stands out thanks to its maneuverability and automatic drying system, which sets it apart from traditional models. Compared to the Shark Hydrovac, which is in a similar price range, it's more agile under furniture, but it might be slightly less effective in tight turns. Its tank system is more compact than that of the Tin EcoFloor 1S7 Pro, a more premium model, but with a slightly reduced capacity, which may involve more frequent refills. Unlike the Dyad Pro, which uses multiple rollers, the Flexi Lite only has one roller, which can limit its effectiveness. In terms of battery life, it offers 40 minutes of operation, which is average for this type of device. However, that might be a bit tight for larger areas that need a thorough cleaning. The Roborock Flexi Lite is an efficient and well-designed floor cleaner that stands out as an excellent option for households looking for a versatile and compact device. Its suction power, ergonomic design, and automatic drying system give it serious advantages for efficient and hassle-free daily maintenance. A few limitations remain, such as the lack of a suction-only mode and tanks that could be easier to remove, but these flaws are minor compared to the overall performance of the device. Its excellent value for money makes it a relevant choice for those looking to invest. Its excellent value for money makes it a smart choice for those looking to invest in a high-performing and modern floor cleaner. If you want to learn more or buy it, the link is in the description. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to give your impressions, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our next product presentations. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.